To access your Blackboard Teams page for any online workshops or classes, first you'll need to head over to your Blackboard course page. There are two potential locations where you can join through Teams. The first will be found in the course content area under a various folder identified with a Microsoft Teams logo. Alternatively, you can select the Details and Actions tab, open Microsoft Teams, open Teams Meetings, which will launch a calendar showing all upcoming workshops and sessions via Teams. To join a workshop, simply select the Join icon. From here, you'll be able to select Continue in Browser or open the Microsoft Teams app. You'll be greeted with how to connect to the session. If you are joining a session, make sure your microphone is disabled until needed. Once you are connected to the session, you'll be able to access the normal Teams features such as the chat, who's in the session. You'll be able to raise your hand. You'll also be able to react and change how you view the session. To enable your microphone or webcam, simply select the microphone or webcam icons. To leave the session, simply select Leave or use the drop-down arrow.